Insert the included AA batteries into the battery compartment. Do not put on the battery cover yet, as you'll need to scan the code inside to connect the lock to the Nest app.
Hi from Yale and Nest. Press the Yale logo to begin.
Tap the Yale logo on the keypad to wake it up. Follow the instructions from the lock to program the master code to calibrate the lock. It's important to keep the door closed while the lock calibrates itself. If you have the door open, the lock may not work. Create a master code that you would like to program and write it down for later use.
Start by creating the master code. It should be 4 to 8 digits long. Then press the check to continue. The master code is set. Next, make sure the door is closed. Then press the check to continue. Checking the lock. Installation is complete and your lock is ready to be added to your Nest account.